All right, now I'm on the bottom of the homework P189. It says a shoebox, so we know we have a rectangular prism. Measures 15 by 7 by 4.5. What is the surface area? Well, first of all, I'm going to change this 4.5 to 4.5. I personally would prefer to work with decimals rather than fractions. But again, that's up to you. And now I need to multiply the 15 by the 7 and get that answer, and then multiply it by 2, because whatever that is, the front, the back, the top, the bottom, there's 2 that are the same. So that's why I multiply it by 2. It's either the top, in which case the top would be the same as the bottom. It's either the front of the box, in which case the back would be the same, or it's the right side of the box, in which case the left side of the box would be the same. I also need to multiply the 15 times the 4.5. And again, get that answer and multiply it by 2. And then lastly, multiply the 7 by the 4.5. Actually, I'm going to put the 4.5 on top, 4.5 on top. That's just my personal preference. The order doesn't matter when you're doing multiplication though. And get that answer and multiply it by 2. And these 2, 4, 6, they represent, the reason I do that, they represent the 6 sides of the box. Okay, so now I've accounted for all 6 sides of the box. So I'm going to let you go ahead and do that math, but that's how you set it up. Okay. Number 6. Vivian is working with a styrofoam cube, so I know all the sides are the same for art class. The length of one side is 5 inches, so I know they're all 5. How much surface area does she have to work with? Essentially, they're asking what is the surface area. So remember, it's 6 times s squared would give me the surface area of a cube, where s is the length of the side. So if we think about it, it's 5 by 5, which is 25, and then there's 6 of these sides. Okay, there's that back. So essentially what we're doing is 25 times 6 then. Because I squared the 5, the side is 5, squared would be 25, 5 times 5, and then multiply that by 6, and that will give you your final answer. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.